Hey guys, there's a hurricane heading towards Biloxi. Kind of messes up my plans for going on the weekend. So I've decided to try to beat the hurricane to Biloxi because I have the car show all week. And it's not ready to go, but it's as close as it can be right now. And I'm gonna take off and head down there for a couple of days and just see if I can have a little fun before the hurricane hits. Unfortunately, my wife and my son can't go because they're both in school, and it's going to be just me this trip. So, well, this kind of shakedown trip. This is the whole reason I built this thing. Is I saw this car show and everybody camping on the side of the road. I've been wanting to do it ever since, and this is going to be my first stab at it. Even though there's a hurricane coming, I'm going to try to squeeze in a couple of days. Got my generator to power everything on. Got pillows, suitcase. Yeah, I hadn't worked out the logistics, everything yet, but you know, a suitcase would fit right underneath there. It's going to be ironing everything out. Got to figure out a trash system and a dirty clothes storage, maybe. That's going to be too tight. All right, got to get my bike in here, make sure my tires are pumped up. Alright, so I'm halfway there. I've got about 3 more hours to go somewhere on there. I'm near Montgomery, Alabama. And I've got a place lined up on the strip. The guy said I could stay there for like through Thursday. That's about 4 days for $100. There's no hookups or anything like that, but it's just a place to park that's super close to the action. I can safely park my camper there. Thinking about doing that, and what I'd like to do is do some free boondocking at casinos. I don't know if I'd be able to get away with that or not, but it's just an idea. And I think I figured out on the way down here, thinking about how to take a shower while I'm down here. I don't have a shower, I haven't finished that part yet. Local YMCA as a guest account. You can go there for $8 and use the facilities, work out, and take a shower. So that's the plan. I'll see how it works out. I plan on working out while I'm down here, so it'll be a good fit. So anyway, I think there's one casino down here that I for sure can park at, but it's away from all the action. It's Scarlet Pearl. It's a new casino, but they have plenty of parking, and I don't think anybody would say anything about me parked there. So I don't know. We'll just see what happens. Try to stay out of trouble. Still got a long way to go. Almost there, about 30 more minutes. Ooh, I'm ready to get there too. I'm hungry. Going to Mugshots Hamburger, my favorite hamburger spot. Can't wait. Potato burger with sweet potato fries. It's gonna be good.
Spreading again across the U.S., especially in rural areas and smaller cities, but also raising concern right here in New York. In 30.
This is the burnout zone. You see all the marks on the road? Okay, I think the place I think it's down here. I think it might be across the road from that pink building over there. No idea where. This is definitely where it's happening. Maybe it's right over here. A bunch of spots over here too. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna see about turning around over here. Alright guys, I found a parking spot. and it was better than I thought. It's a private lot directly across from Beau Rivage, Hard Rock, Salamukis, all the good stuff, man. I guess I could pull up a little bit more. Yeah. Probably could back in. I think this is perfect though. Parking where the Prevost bus. All these rigs are a little bit fancier than mine, but I lucked out because a hurricane's coming, and normally this lot's like $300 for a week, and the guy let me have it for $100. So yeah, for the whole week, you know, as long as the hurricane, you know, which all I need is 3 or 4 days, I'll be in good shape. So everything's good. I think I lucked out. I'm parked right over here. Hard Rock's over here. Mug Shots, my favorite burger joint, is right over here around the corner. All I gotta do is walk to it. Over there and have a few beers. Don't have to drive anywhere. Go right back, go to the casino, come out here, watch the cars cruise. It's already starting out there. It'll get busier tonight. Everything's working out just as planned. Actually, everything's working out better than planned. I just cannot believe I just found that spot. I lucked out. Mug Shots Bar and Grill. All right, this is what I'm talking about. I already took a bite out of it. I was way ahead of myself, took a bite out of it before I showed you guys, but yeah, this is awesome. One of the reasons I drove down, the buns are super sweet. They're like sweet sourdough or something. I don't know. Hard to reproduce. I've never had anything like that anywhere else. All right, so I had the cooler running since I've been here. I mean, since I've come down, and that's like 6-7 hours at 12.7 volts. So we're good. There's the setup. I chose this spot instead of down the road because it's way too noisy down there. They're always doing burnouts and it's pretty crazy, and it's going to be like that all night long. So yeah, I kind of turn in early, and then I'll go get some coffee and spend a day at the car shows. I think I'm going to take my bike and maybe have one more beer, ride around a little bit, see what's going on. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh yeah, do it! Oh, it'll do it! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, come on!
Ooh, bumpy. It's like American Graffiti in Biloxi. All right, decided to turn in early tonight. Kind of tired from the drive. Not a whole lot going on tonight, and I'm gonna see the car show tomorrow. Make myself some water and get ready for bed. Eat a few snacks. It's gonna be hard to sleep with all that going on, but I think I can manage. Alright, gonna wind down, get caught up on work, and call it a night. It's like 11 o'clock back home. Yeah, kind of tired.